Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we are going to solve Pickle Rick on TryHackMe, a fun beginner-friendly lab that teaches real-world hacking fundamentals using a light-hearted Rick and Morty theme. This lab is perfect for beginners because it shows how attackers actually think, while helping Rick turn himself from a pickle into a human. We will learn in this video how to perform basic reconnaissance using Nmap, how to enumerate directories and find hidden files, how credentials get leaked through poor configuration, how attackers execute command via a web panel, how misconfigured sudo permissions lead to full root access. Most importantly, you will understand why these are serious security issues and how they are commonly exploited in real environments. So let's get started. Open Kali Linux terminal. Start the machine of Pickle Rick. Click on Start button. Wait for a minute. Copy IP address. Use ping command to ping the machine and pasting IP address. We are getting response from the machine. It means our connection is now established. Use Nmap command. We are using -ss for stealthy scan and -a for scan to be aggressive, -t5 for the scan to be fastest, and now paste IP address. After pasting IP address, input password, wait for few moments. We get that 80/TCP is open and 22/TCP is open. Our 80/TCP is very important. Let's go to web browser, input IP address. After entering IP address, we can see that we got a web page, which is static web page. Let's see the source code. We can see HTML code in which username is commented. Let's copy this and paste as txt file. Now use Ghostbuster dir-u for busting the directory and wait for a few moments. After that, we get login.php, assets, denied.php, index.html. Let's check all of these. Copying assets and pasting it to the URL. After pasting in the URL, we get that there is no such important thing in the URL. So let's check for denied.php. After inputting denied.php, We get login page. Let's enter username and password. We got username earlier, so let's paste it. Now we have to find password for login.php. Let's check for another URLs. We can see that login.php is already used. Let's check for robots.txt. Copying robots.txt and pasting it to the URL. I think Bubbler Dub Dub is the password. Let's copy it and save as password for the login page. Now copy your username and password. After that, click on login. We can see that we get control panel access. Let's try inputting pwd. We can see that this is Linux terminal. ls for checking what's present in the directory. After inputting ls, we can see that super secret ingredient.txt. Let's check for cat super ingredient.txt. We can see that admin disabled few of the commands. Now check for mode super secret ingredient.txt. This is also disabled. Now check for less command. We think that Mr. Meeks here is our first ingredient. Let's copy it. Save this as a first ingredient. Now check for second ingredient. Again go back to the browser. Again input ls command. We can see that clue.txt. Let's check what inside it. Now checking what's inside clue.txt. It is giving us the hint that look around the file system for another ingredient. It means our ingredient should be in file system. Now check for root directory. We can see home in root. Let's check what's in the home by inputting ls/home, and we can see that there is two users, Rick and Ubuntu. Let's see what's inside Rick directory, home/Rick. After that, click on execute. It shows that we have second ingredient in the Rick directory. Now use less command for checking second ingredients. We use colon for the space in between that. After that, execute. We got our second ingredient. Let's copy it. Save this as the second ingredient in text file. Saving this is a good practice if it may require in future. Now look for final ingredient. Again, go back to the browser. In control panel, let's check for sudo permission. It is enabled or not, or what permission we have. Sudo -l. We can see that there is no password required for sudo command, which is great or very high vulnerability. Let's check in root. We get our third.txt. Now look into what's inside third.txt. Copy it and check what's inside third.txt. Execute. We got our third ingredient as leaf juice. Let's copy it and save as our third ingredient. Paste the third ingredient. Voila, our lab is completed. Thank you for watching this video.